Hi viewers, today we're looking at the modified internal rate of return Excel VBA formula using Excel 2013. First of all, we're going to go to the View tab of Excel 2013, to the macro section and click on Record. And then I'm going to name this MIRR underscore FX for modified internal rate of return function, and then click on Record. I'm going to click on Stop. Then I'm going to go to the macro drop down. I'm going to click on View Macros, and I'm going to edit my macro. And I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to paste in my code. I just put comment in there and a comment in there. So basically, you can see that the theory is up here. So all this stuff in comments that I'm putting here, you can see the example there saying starting with the function name and so on. So if I actually look at the actual, if I show you the actual code here underneath, which is the actual modified internal rate of return code, you can see it starts off by saying select range D2, which is select cell D2, and then insert a formula array within that, and the formula array you're going to enter is here, where it says equals quotes equals MIRR, which is what it's going to enter exactly like that in Excel. In the cell, you can see the brackets around the outside, and you can see it says the first bit here is the value array A2 to A5. The second bit after the first comma, B2, is the finance rate, and the third bit after the second comma is the actual reinvest rate, which will help you get your modified rate of return value. So if I file and close this, you can see the values here. You've got from A2 to A5 there, the finance rate there, the reinvest rate there, and the value will be inserted here. So all I have to do is click on macros and click on run, and it's inserted my modified internal rate of return of 1.95, and you can see here in the formula bar the actual array that's been inserted from the VBA code editor. Basically that's the Excel VBA modified internal rate of return in Excel 2013.